So you're about to take an R2 demo drive. In this video, we'll walk you through some of the key features, settings, and controls so you come in ready and can spend more time driving. Let's get started. To unlock the vehicle, hold the Rivian keycard near the driver's door handle. Once inside, place a keycard on the front wireless charging pad. Tap the profile icon in the upper left corner of the display to access driver profiles and begin by adjusting your seat to ensure a comfortable driving position. Next, tap side mirrors and use the Haptic Halo Wheels to adjust your mirrors. Then, tap steering wheel and use the Haptic Halo Wheels to adjust the tilt and reach by moving it up, down, in, or out until you find your preferred driving position. As a friendly reminder, we recommend arriving a few minutes early for your demo drive appointment. Next, tap the navigation icon to get a sense of your surroundings and preview the route you'll take. From the bottom app bar, tap the drive modes icon to customize how the R2 drives and feels. Here, you can adjust settings such as ride feel, regenerative braking sensitivity, and stability control preferences. When you're ready to drive, press and hold the brake pedal to start the vehicle. Then, use a drive stalk to get going. Down for drive, up for reverse, and press the button on the end of the stalk for park. Now you're ready to get on the road and experience the Rivian R2.